Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper, where we empower you with the knowledge and skills to live self-sufficiently. In today's video, we're diving deep into off-grid living. Whether you're planning to cut ties with the grid entirely or just want to be prepared for any situation, these tips and tricks will help you thrive on your own. From collecting rainwater to cooking with solar ovens, we've got you covered. Let's start with Section 1, Understanding Off-Grid Living. Off-grid living means relying on your own resources without the support of public utilities. This lifestyle requires a combination of renewable energy sources, water collection systems, food production, and waste management. It's about creating a sustainable environment where you can meet all your basic needs independently. Section 2, Rainwater Collection. One of the most critical aspects of off-grid living is securing a reliable water source. Rainwater collection is an excellent method for capturing and storing water. Setting up a system. To start, you'll need a catchment area, typically your roof, connected to a gutter system that channels rainwater into a storage tank. Make sure to install a first flush diverter to remove debris and contaminants from the initial flow of water. Filtration and purification. While rainwater is generally clean, it's crucial to filter and purify it before use. A multi-stage filtration system, including a sediment filter and an activated carbon filter, will remove particles and contaminants. For drinking water, consider adding a UV purifier or boiling the water to ensure it's safe. Storage. Opt for food-grade water tanks that can hold enough water to sustain you through dry periods. Position them in a shaded area to prevent algae growth and reduce evaporation. Section 3. Generating off-grid power. Energy is another cornerstone of off-grid living. While there are various methods to generate power, solar energy is one of the most efficient and sustainable. Solar panels. Invest in high-quality solar panels that suit your energy needs. Consider factors like location, sun exposure, and energy consumption when determining the size of your solar array. Battery storage. To store energy for use during cloudy days or at night, you'll need a robust battery system. Lithium-ion batteries are popular due to their efficiency and long lifespan. Make sure your battery capacity aligns with your energy usage to avoid running out of power. Backup options. Having a backup power source like a wind turbine or a generator ensures you'll never be left in the dark. Wind turbines are particularly effective in areas with consistent wind patterns, while generators provide a reliable fallback during extended cloudy periods. Section 4. Cooking with solar ovens. Off-grid living doesn't mean sacrificing modern conveniences, especially when it comes to cooking. Solar ovens are a fantastic way to harness the sun's energy for meal preparation. Types of solar ovens. There are two main types, box ovens and parabolic ovens. Box ovens are great for slow cooking and baking, while parabolic ovens focus sunlight to achieve higher temperatures, making them ideal for frying or grilling. DIY solar oven. You can build a simple solar oven with household materials. All you need is a cardboard box, aluminum foil, and a glass cover. Line the box with foil to reflect sunlight and place a glass cover over the top to trap heat. In no time, you'll be cooking delicious, energy-free meals. Cooking tips. When using a solar oven, start your cooking earlier in the day to maximize sun exposure. Use dark, shallow pots to absorb and retain heat more effectively. And remember, solar cooking can be slower than conventional methods, so plan your meals accordingly. Section 5. Growing your own food. Self-sufficiency wouldn't be complete without growing your own food. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a few raised beds, here are some tips for off-grid gardening. Crop selection. Choose hardy, drought-resistant plants that thrive in your climate. Focus on perennial crops like fruit trees, berry bushes, and root vegetables that require less maintenance and provide consistent yields. Composting. Create a compost system to recycle organic waste into nutrient-rich soil. This will keep your garden healthy and reduce the need for store-bought fertilizers. Watering techniques. Utilize drip irrigation systems or self-watering containers to minimize water use. Mulching your garden beds also helps retain moisture and keeps weeds at bay. Section 6. Waste management. Living off-grid means managing your waste responsibly. Here's how to do it. Human waste. Consider installing a composting toilet, which turns waste into usable compost. These toilets are waterless and eco-friendly, making them perfect for off-grid living. Gray water systems. Reuse water from sinks, showers, and washing machines by setting up a gray water system. This water can be redirected to your garden or landscaping, reducing your overall water consumption. Trash. Reduce, reuse, and recycle as much as possible. For non-recyclable waste, consider setting up a burn pit or another safe method of disposal. Off-grid living is all about independence, sustainability, and preparedness. With the right knowledge and tools, you can create a self-sufficient lifestyle that not only reduces your reliance on the grid, but also enhances your resilience in any situation. Remember, the key is to start small and gradually build your systems as you gain experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more survival tips from Doomsday Prepper. Stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.